Morning, Micro Mep here, doing my 9 a.m. stroll, starting the day. Have my cup of coffee. Didn't weigh myself today. Not gonna weigh myself every day. But yesterday, didn't eat a lot. I fasted, and when I got hungry, that's when I ate. I'm only eating when I'm hungry, and that's the way it should be for us folks that have a tendency to gain weight. What did I have yesterday? I had 4 eggs and my 2 pieces of toast. Let me turn this off here. I have my Ezekiel toast. It's like a sprouted grain bread, and they sell it in the frozen section. They have different kinds. They have low sodium. They have flaxseed. They have cinnamon raisin, and they have a green one. I don't know what the green one is, but I had 2 slices of the green bag. It's supposedly really good bread. Each slice has more or less 10 grams of carb. Had that with my 4 eggs with in butter, and for my dessert, I had a couple pieces of dark chocolate with some organic peanut butter. I got a little hungry. I was watching the All Star game, and at the end of the All Star game, the National League won 3-2. At the end of the game, I got a little hungry. My wife wasn't feeling too well. A lot of stomach bugs going around. I don't know if she got food poisoning or something from some crab meat that she ate with some sauce. But I was supposed to eat some burgers with salad, but I thawed them out and I put them in the refrigerator, and I just saved them for today. And I ended up just drinking a glass of organic fat milk, and that's what I went to bed on. So I didn't weigh myself today. Maybe I should have, but I'm probably weighing 243. I just want to try and lose 1 or 2 pounds a week. So that's on the fasting and diet front. Watch the All Star game, like I said. I think the season starts back up on Friday, and the Marlins are at the Orioles, which are in second place behind the D-Rays and playing very good ball. So the Phillies were playing good ball too, and we should have swept them, but we only took 2 out of 3. We lost with 2 strikes. I was at that game. Shame. So we'll see how we do with the Orioles out in, I think it's called Camden Yards, not sure. I went out to that stadium. That's a beautiful stadium, by the way. Inflation came in lighter, and the markets like it, and it's rallying. I don't know how I'll do today. I have some short exposure in both portfolios. I'm a little on the negative side. I think we've run up a lot, but I guess I might be wrong. Who knows? I do have a lot of oil and commodities. They seem to be perking up, and small caps. Not small caps. In my 401k, I'm heavy international exposure. The dollar's rolling over, and we'll take a look at the futures now when I switch screens. But yeah, came in a little bit lighter. So, and I think the market was expecting that. So let's take a look at the futures. Futures, let's see, let's get in here. The 10 years down almost 7 bips to 390, and I saw the dollar roll over. Dollar's down to 101.14. The low was 101.5. It's down more than 0.5%. And the dollar has rolled over from its highs. Um, and that should help international exposure and precious metals. I just, the only trade that's not working for me right now is being um, a little short these tech names, which I think they're a little overvalued. But they're just small positions, nothing that's going to break the bank. Just engagement trades. I just trade small. All foreign currencies are up, obviously, on the weaker big move on the dollar. Bitcoin is up 170 to almost 31K. Oil's over 75 bucks a barrel, which is inflationary. S&P up 35, well over 4,500. Gold up 10 to almost 1950. Copper up 6 cents to 3.83. Remember, these numbers kind of will reflect that the Fed is going to probably just stay data dependent and stay neutral and maybe not do anything. But I still think they need to raise interest rates. I mean, we're not even close to 4%. Small caps are rallying nice. They're up 32 to 1960. And I've pretty much maxed out my 401k for the year. And my last couple of batches of inflows, I've reallocated to small cap fund with Fidelity. And I'll let you know which one it is. I don't know from the top of my head which one it is. And then in the next video. Um, Nasdaq up 150 to 15, almost 15.5. Dow Jones up 200 to 33,674. Net gas down 9 cents to 263. Palladium and platinum. Palladium up 30 and platinum up 20. Silver up 55 cents, approaching 24 again. The VIX getting crushed to 1470. Corn 503, not pretty flat, and wheat pretty flat at 657. And soybeans have been showing bigger moves at 1374. And those are your futures. The market opens at 9:30, so I really can't give you updates on stocks. Um, I guess I could go to pre-market, but not gonna get so in depth in that. So yeah, that's where we're at. Looks like rates are falling. 10-year down under 390, and so we should have a pretty good rally today. We should have a pretty good rally from what it seems, unless it reverses. Unless it reverses during the day, we'll see. I've been trading a little bit more. Small engagement trades, broken wing butterflies, small call credit spreads, stuff like that. I'll see what I do today. Um, on the work front's been a little bit slower these days, so that gives me time to look at the market and maybe put some trades on and get a little engaged. The VIX is not where I want it to be putting on, to be more aggressive. I think the market is complacent. That's just me. We'll see what happens with that. It's another hot one today. Let's take a look at that. I wonder if we have another heat advisory today. We do have another heat advisory. Right now it feels like 101, and the heat index values will be up to 108, 109, basically 110. Yeah, it's bad. So that's the the heat. My pool update, man. So remember I told you about my story about my pool. Apparently when I was brushing it to clean it, I made a little hole in the vinyl, and I was losing a lot of water. And yesterday I ran to the store after I noticed it was losing. I lost like 3 or 4 inches in a couple hours. Um, and I got the repair patch kit, so I put my mask on in the afternoon and cleaned the pool well. And I did find the hole, and I did patch it. So I think I need more salt in there, so I'm gonna go back to the store today, get the water tested. They open at 9. Get that tested and get my morning going. See if I sell some metal, some cars. Price has come down a lot. Man, Carvana's one stock that's crazy. That stock was at $3. It's trading around 35 bucks. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And it seems like a lot of the speculative stuff is still going up. You have your upstart over 40 bucks. A lot of not profitable companies just going bonkers. I don't know. It seems like speculation's back out there, I guess. I don't know. To each his own. I'm staying my course. I'm right on the dollar. It's rolling over, and tech is still overvalued. Don't get me wrong. I'm not a tech hater. I like tech, but not at these levels. It's too overvalued, in my opinion. Maybe their future sales will fit in right where the stock price is. I don't know. I just think it's just a lot of hype. I think the Fed has a lot of work to do. Um, there's still inflation out there. I don't care what they say. And there's going to be a lag effect in regards to all this tightening. Um, that's pretty much it. It's a sunny day in South Florida. Just wanted to bring you a quick recap. We'll see what's out there in the market today, and I'll do another video on the recap on what I do. And like, subscribe, share the channel. Hit me up with any comments and ideas, and I'll see you in the next one. Next one, okay? Take care, guys. Bye.